In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a remote control for your Samsung Smart TV. So if you've lost your TV remote or you just want to use your phone because it's much easier, then I'm going to show you how we can do this in just a couple easy steps. Now, the first thing we're going to do is just head over to our mobile device and you need to go and load up the App Store on your phone. Now, using the search box, we're going to type in the word SmartThings and press search. You then need to scroll down and install this application here called SmartThings. Just go ahead and click on the download icon. You can see I already have this installed, so I'm just going to press open. So when you first open up the application, you're going to get a pop-up asking allow SmartThings to find Bluetooth devices. Just go ahead and press allow, and then we can press continue. You can then click on Start SmartThings at the bottom of this page. Now you may also need to sign in with your Samsung account. You can see that if I click on menu, I'm already signed in to my account. If you don't already have one of these, you can create one completely for free. So once we're signed in, we're going to click on devices in the bottom navigation. You can then click on the plus icon next to add device and then press scan nearby. Now, if you get any pop-up notifications, just make sure to allow all of these, and this will scan for any TVs in the local area. So you need to ensure that your TV is turned on, and you also need to ensure that your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile phone. And as long as your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it should go and detect your television from this list. So once your television's been found in this list, you can just go ahead and select it to connect, and you'll probably need to verify the device as well. So just wait a couple of seconds and it's going to attempt to connect to your television, and you may get a pop-up asking if you want to take over the device. Just press make me the owner. And eventually, after going through all of the steps, it's going to ask to verify the device using an 8-digit code. So this code will be displayed on your television. You can see my code in the top right-hand side here. And this is the code that we need to go and enter on our phone. So I'm going to type out the code exactly as I see it on my television. And once you've typed out that code, you can just go ahead and press confirm. And as you can see, we're now connected successfully. So now if I come back here, I can start controlling my television using my mobile phone as the remote control. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.